What is up guys, in this video I'll be installing this diff brace on my G35. With the diff brace, although it pretty much looks like, the bell work or whatever you call it, so all the same, all look the same, seems like they fall from the one manufacturer, but there are slightly different ones. Like buying this diff brace, you can get the one that is completely flat here and then just circles right here to reduce the weight. And then you can get this kind which have a notch in here. So the reason I got this one is because if you want to get subframe chassis bracing, which is a bar going across the subframe, you have to get this kind, because otherwise the brace won't clear the bar. That's why there are different type of looks. So in my opinion, this one is probably the best one, because later on if you want to add a tie brace you can, and then probably when it comes to rigidity probably be the same. Without further ado, first thing first, I'll jack up the car. So now we're under the car, so pretty much this diff brace is gonna sit like that. The bolt go through here, and then you put the sleeve on, it slide through, and then you tighten the nut on the other side. So these two bolts with washer are for these two, so you got to take them out. So now the diff brace is in place. Obviously none of the bolts are tight, but I just want to show you guys. So you want to have a washer here, that's the longest bolt. On the other side here is a nut, and you want to have the washer there as well, and two washers for these two bolts as well right here. So pretty much that's gonna be what it's gonna be looking like. And now just like that, 216, you want to tighten those up, and then you want to do the 19 each side. So grab a spanner on the other side, hold it, and then tighten it down. Now you want to torque that down to 43 Newton meters, same as these bottom two bolts. So after you torque them down, the brace is installed. Alright guys, so I've been driving the car for a few days. I did notice that it makes the car, when I'm changing gears, a lot smoother. The car is not like going back and forth for a little bit, you know what I mean? When I floor it, it feels like the power just gets on straight away. There's no like that half second of hesitation. And then when you put it in the next gear, it just keeps going like really crisp feeling, if you know what I mean. I definitely recommend you guys buying the diff brace. It's really cheap. It's just one of those mods you can make your car feel better. This video shows how much play there is when you floor it between your diff and subframe. It moves like a crazy amount. how much my rear subframe is moving. I'm pretty sure since my car has been quite a low kilometer car, the rear subframe bush will be quite new and still in decent shape, but I might still later on try out the subframe color and all those stuff to see how much better it would make my car feel. I absolutely love all these small driver feeling mode. To me, whether a car is enjoyable to drive or not, it's all about how the car feels. It's not necessarily about how fast the car is. Without further ado, I'll see you guys in the next video.